I think I'll read a book. That's a nice one. Over here, that's a nice book. Oh! Hey! Oh, you can fly. You're a nice baby. You want to say anything to the people at home? Yeah, tell them a lot of things like, hey, you at home, stay at home. We don't want you. What? Don't be mean to people. You're such a nice baby. I can be mean to when I want to. Nobody cares. Yes, they do. Be polite. Okay, I love you, all you people. I love you very much. That was very nice. I didn't mean it. Look, it was not very nice what you said to them. And anything else you want to say to everybody? Yeah, here's looking at you, kid. What? I said, here's looking at you, kid. Look, they're not kids. You're a kid. I didn't know you knew Casablanca. Of course I do. I've seen all those big movies from my mommy's tummy. Oh, that's very nice. Well, you're a sweetheart. And we're so glad that you're nice to everybody. Yeah, I'm nice. Well, I wish you stopped moving me around and saying all these stupid things. What? I said, I wish you stopped shaking me and saying stupid things. Okay, I'll stop moving you around. But anyway, I want to thank you on behalf of all the people here. We'd like to show you our beautiful baby. She's a doll baby. She's a sweetheart. And she is our love bug. And she's going to say some noises here.